You don't want to play like her. Learn how to play Hyperball. Basketball with hyperbolas. Huddle up, everybody!
I'm here, Coach. I'm here to learn Hyperball.
Well, Paula, what do you know about horizontal and vertical play?
Well, I don't know anything, Coach.
We have a lot of work to do. Well, Paula, this is the equation for the horizontal play. X squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals 1.
Okay, Coach. I still kinda don't get it, though.
Lucky for you, I have an example right here. X squared over 25 minus y squared over 9 equals 1. So to start this play, we have to plot the center, which is going to be 0, 0. Now we have to figure out the vertices and co-vertices. The vertices are always going to be the square root of a. So in our case, 25, the square root is 5. So on the x-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have to do it negatively too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the co-vertices are going to be the square root of b, plotted on the y-axis. So in this case, it's going to be 3, positive 3 on the y-axis, and negative 3 on the y-axis. And now we can make a box and connect them all. And this is going to help us later. Now we can draw the asymptotes, which is where the graph can never go if we connect these 3 dots. The equation for the asymptotes, if you don't want to use the box, is y equals plus or minus b over a times x. So now that we have the asymptotes, we can draw the graph, which is going to connect to the vertices, but cannot touch the asymptotes. And then the last part of our graph is going to be the foci, which is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. And that's going to be any point where in between the hyperbolas. But so if we a squared equals 5 plus b squared equals 3, so that altogether is going to be 8. So on this side, one foci is going to be at 8. The other foci is going to be over here. There you go, Paula.
Thank you, Coach.
The horizontal play. And now, don't forget, we also have our vertical play. The equation for that is y squared over a squared minus x squared over b squared equals 1. That graph is going to look like this, where this is the axis, the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. There you go, Paula.
Thank you, Coach.
Paula,
Yes, Coach.
warm-up time. Run the transverse axis, conjugate axis, go. Come on, keep doing it. No slowing down now. Stop back at the center. Good job. Now, I want you to go to the vertice.
I don't know what vertices
You don't? Oh, Paula. It's A. Positive and negative A. Repeat that.
Positive and negative A.
Good. Now run to the vertice. Good. Other vertice. Positive vertice now. Good. Now, do you know what the conjugate vertices are, Paula?
Those ones.
Yes. B. Yes. So run to those. Good. That's a positive. And now run to the negative. Good, good. Now, Paula, do you know where the foci is?
I do not, Coach.
Oh, okay. The foci is C. C, do you know how you find C?
B squared equals A squared plus B squared.
Good, good, good. Now go to the foci. The foci is the best place to shoot a basket.
So right here?
Yes. Okay. Other foci. Good. Now, Paula, do you remember what I said to never, ever touch?
Yes.
Good, good, good. Now, where are the asymptotes?
Right here. And they cross the center. Go both ways.
Good. Do you know the equation for the asymptotes, Paula? The equation for the horizontal asymptotes is y equals plus or minus b over a times x. Paula, I think you have this. Good job. Okay, Paula, one last thing before you go. The vertical play. It's when the horizontal play is flipped. This is the equation for it. Y squared over a squared minus x squared over b squared equals 1. Got that, Paula?
Yes, Coach.
Okay. So for the vertices of a vertical play, the A's are going to be in the Y spot, positive and negative. And now for the foci, it's going to be the same. C squared equals A squared plus B squared, except the C's are going to be positive and negative in the Y spot. And then we have the vertical asymptotes, which are going to look very similar to the horizontal asymptotes. But the equation for that is y equals plus or minus a over b times x. There you go, Paula, vertical play. Paula, I want you to roll the foci and make your best basket. That girl's going somewhere.